Have you ever imagined that a common ingredient in your kitchen could be the key to supercharging your male health and giving you an insane boost of energy? That's right, we're talking about baking soda. It has the power to improve circulation, increase your stamina, and even enhance your firmness in a remarkable way. What most people don't realize is that there are 5 secret techniques every man should know to fully harness the power of this incredible mineral. So I have just one request. Watch this video until the end. Now get ready, because what you're about to learn could completely change your daily routine. Let's dive in and discover why baking soda is a true ally for male health and how it can transform your body in just a few days. Let's kick things off with a simple yet powerful technique to get your blood pumping. We're going to use baking soda to enhance your circulation and give you that extra boost, especially before a workout. 30 minutes before a main meal, like lunch or dinner, mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of warm water. Make sure it's completely dissolved and drink it down. The baking soda is working to expand your blood vessels, like widening the on-ramps to a highway. This enhanced blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients are reaching your muscles and vital organs, which translates to more energy and stamina throughout your day. Limit this to 3 times a week, strategically timed before your largest meals or most demanding workouts. Stick with it, and you'll start to feel the difference. Gentlemen, let's talk about testosterone. It's the hormone that makes us men, impacting everything from our energy levels to our muscle mass and even our drive. First thing in the morning, on an empty stomach, mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water. Add the juice of a freshly squeezed lemon. The citric acid in lemons, combined with baking soda, helps to alkalize your body, reducing acidity. This simple drink also enhances mineral absorption, which is crucial for testosterone production. And to top it off, it acts as an antioxidant, fighting off those harmful free radicals that can damage cells and accelerate aging. Limit this to 3 times a week for optimal results. We live in a fast-paced world, and our bodies are constantly bombarded with toxins. Over time, these toxins can build up, leaving us feeling sluggish and depleted. Before bed, mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water. Add a pinch of Himalayan pink salt. The baking soda helps to neutralize acidity and flush out toxins, while the Himalayan pink salt, rich in trace minerals, supports electrolyte balance and promotes deep, restful sleep. Quality sleep is essential for energy production and overall well-being. For best results, try to limit ultra-processed foods and alcohol, especially on the days you use this drink. Stick to this routine twice a week, and you'll wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Gentlemen, if you're serious about taking your workouts to the next level, this next trick is a game changer. 30 to 45 minutes before your workout, mix half a teaspoon into a glass of water and drink it down. This will help neutralize excess acidity in your muscles, allowing you to train harder and longer without hitting that wall. You'll be able to power through those extra reps, increase your training volume, and ultimately see better results. Limit it to a maximum of 3 times a week to avoid any potential digestive discomfort. We've all been there, that uncomfortable, bloated feeling after a big meal. Baking soda can come to the rescue once again, acting as a natural antacid to soothe your stomach and promote optimal digestion. If you're experiencing heartburn, indigestion, or just general discomfort after eating, mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into half a glass of water and drink it slowly. Baking soda works by neutralizing excess stomach acid, which is often the culprit behind digestive discomfort. It's important to consult with your doctor if you experience frequent or chronic digestive issues. There you have it, gentlemen. 5 powerful ways to unlock the hidden potential of baking soda and supercharge your male health. These simple yet effective techniques can make a world of difference in your energy levels, stamina, digestion, and even your hormonal balance. Now that you have all these powerful tricks, it's up to you to put them into action and experience real results. Let me know in the comments. Did you already know about baking soda's benefits? Will you be trying these tricks? If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like this video to help more people discover this information. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future tips. See you in the next video. Take care and stay strong.